Hey, folks, welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan, where we explore fascinating destinations around the world. Today, I am thrilled to take you on a virtual tour of one of India's most breathtaking hill stations, Lonavala. Nestled in the beautiful Sahyadri mountain range in Maharashtra, Lonavala is truly a paradise for nature lovers. Its serene environment, lush green landscapes, and pleasant climate make it a popular getaway destination. When you think of Lonavala, you immediately picture the iconic rolling hills and cascading waterfalls. These natural wonders have attracted tourists from every part of the globe. The Western Ghats, which surround the city, serve as a gateway to some of the most spectacular trekking trails you'll ever experience. One such trekking trail leads you to the famous Tiger's Leap viewpoint, where you can soak in the breathtaking panoramic views. Stand on the edge of the cliff, and you'll feel like you're on top of the world. Trust me, the adrenaline rush is worth it. But Lonavala isn't just about adventure and natural beauty. This town is also known for its delectable local cuisine. Indulge in mouth-watering vada paves, bhajias, and chikkis while you explore the local markets. The aromas and flavors will transport you to foodie heaven. Now, let's step back in time and explore Lonavala's historical caves. The Kala Caves, dating back to the 2nd century BC, are an architectural masterpiece. Marvel at the intricate rock-cut Buddhist sculptures and soak in the spiritual ambience as you explore these cave temples. For those seeking a glimpse into history, a visit to Rajmachi Fort is a must. This fort, built during the reign of the Maratha Empire, offers a fascinating insight into India's rich past. As you climb to the summit, be prepared to be mesmerized by the mesmerizing views of the lush valleys below. Whether you're seeking a luxurious retreat or a cozy guesthouse, Lonavala has it all. The town is dotted with numerous resorts and hotels that cater to every traveler's needs. Take a dip in the infinity pools or relax in the lush gardens. You're sure to find tranquility and comfort here. Lonavala is a vibrant hub that comes alive with colorful festivals and celebrations. From the Holi festival, where the entire town is covered in vibrant hues, to the Mahashivaratri, where devotees throng the temples, the cultural richness of Lonavala is truly captivating. As the day comes to an end, prepare to witness the most mesmerizing sunsets you've ever seen. The sky is painted in hues of oranges and pinks, creating a magical ambience. And when the sun disappears completely, the night sky sparkles with thousands of stars, a sight that will leave you in awe. For thrill seekers, Lonavala offers a plethora of adventure activities. From zip-lining through the forest canopy to paragliding over the hills, there's no shortage of adrenaline-pumping experiences here. Get ready to conquer your fears and create memories that will last a lifetime. And that wraps up our virtual tour of Lonavala. I hope you enjoyed our journey through this picturesque hill station. Trust me, words and videos can never truly capture the beauty and tranquility of this place. So, if you ever get the chance, pack your bags and experience it for yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting virtual tours. Until next time, happy exploring.